Hi there and welcome back. We reviewed sometime in the past diabetes mellitus, type 1, type 2 glucose intolerance. In last session, we made an attempt to review diabetes insipidus, DI. Let's review bronze diabetes today. Bronze diabetes is also known as hemochromatosis and is also known as iron overload. So basically we are dealing with one condition with three different names: bronze diabetes, hemochromatosis or iron overload. All these three names means depending upon how the literature prefers to describe, but one and the same thing. So focus on the iron overload. This is a condition where there is too much iron in our body. Our body needs iron, but too much iron is toxic. Our body absorbs more than what it needs, but then is unable to get rid of it. So it would store in different tissue organs like a liver, pancreas, heart. And if not treated properly, it may lead to cirrhosis, diabetes mellitus, or cardiomyopathy. So that's why we need to understand that how it can be diagnosed, how it can be treated, and we'll get into those details. But generally speaking, this is the bronze diabetes is frequently seen in this age group 40 to 60 and more common in males. Bronze diabetes or hemochromatosis or iron overload. Broadly speaking, we can break it down into two categories: primary and secondary. Primary is inherited, so we are dealing with a defect in the genes. So if your parents have it, if you have that genes from both your parents, if you inherit two genes, one from each parent, you are at the risk of iron overload and signs and symptoms of the disease. Okay, so compared to that, the secondary hemochromatosis is something that is due to some other cause: anemia, thalassemia, liver disease, or blood transfusions. Although bronze diabetes is one of the most common genetic disorder in the United States, not everyone who has that disease would have the signs and symptoms. However, if you do, then the signs and symptoms could be joint pain, fatigue, general weakness, weight loss, or stomach pain. How would doctor diagnose? The diagnosis by the doctor would include physical exam, your medical history, family history, and plus doctor will run series of tests like a blood test, ferritin test, iron test, liver function test. Liver biopsy is the key and very important tool in the process of diagnosis of the disease. MRI or genetic testing is appropriate. Okay, so that's how the diagnosis of this disease goes. That's the process that doctor goes through. As far as the treatment goes, the treatment would include the phlebotomies to remove the excess iron, a lifelong process, medicines, and watch your diet. The doctor would change your diet. So this is all as far as the bronze diabetes in nutshell. Correlate all these details, plug those details that you can gather from the medical records or whatever tools you have in front of you, then plug those details into your company specifics and underwriting manual. It could go from standard to decline, of course, depending upon the end organ damage. with that, let's take a break and see you soon. Bye now.